malafide intentions of those who are spreading and getting it viral on the electronic media. Today it is very essential that the sanctity as well as this character should be protected. Individuals, each individual प्रत्येकाची सगळ्यांची आम्ही हांगा बायलां जी जमलेली आसा त्यांचे कॅरेक्टर असॅसिनेशन करपाक जायना. अशें जाल्यार आमी बायलां मुखार कशें येतले. म्हणून हांव तुमकां इतलें सांगपाक सोदतां that this misogynistic attitude plus malafide intention should be nipped at its birth.
Today we feel ashamed to even say this, that there are so many tweets being tweeted on Priyanka Gandhi. Vulgar messages have been circulated, vulgar tweets on Facebook, so many tweets. They're showing her in bad light. They're trying to demoralize her. BJP today has employed, Modi Sarkar has employed many girls and boys, many people in the IT sector. They are getting paid to only tarnish the image of the Congress leaders. दीस रात ते बसून फक्त काँग्रेसाच्या अगेन्स्ट ट्वीट करपा खातीर तांकां पगार दिल्लो जाता. आनी आयज हजारांनी तांचे असले चल्यो आनी चले आसा who are getting paid to do such a dirty work. म्हाका हे सांगपाचें आसा की लास्ट इलेक्शनाचे पयले, लोकसभाचे पयले, आनी जेन्ना सोनिया गांधी प्रधानमंत्री जावपाची आशिल्ली तेन्ना ह्याच बीजेपी लोकांनी आमचे सोनिया गांधीचेर पॉइंट केल्ले, ताका एंटी नॅशनल म्हणिल्ले, ताची नॅशनॅलिटीचेर बोटां उठयल्लीं, तिका इटालियन म्हणिल्ले, नॉट एन इंडियन म्हणिल्ले. They forgot that she is married to an Indian and she is an Indian nationalist. आज राहुल गांधी आणि प्रियांका गांधीचे देखून असले सॉलिड ट्वीट्स येतात. Here the worst part of BJP is that they don't know to respect a woman, no dignity of woman. They only know to outrage the modesty of woman. As Priyanka Gandhi coming in the forefront, taking the reins and leading. When the Modi Sarkarak भिरान पडल्या, Modi is scared because Priyanka coming, it is like our late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi coming back to power. यांका आज खंयतरी भिरान पडल्या म्हणून आनी असले कॅरेक्टर एसोसिएशन करपाक स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा. बायलेची मॉडेस्टीचेर आयिल्ले आसा. आनी सांगपाक सोदता की दीस गांधी परिवारान जितले सॅक्रिफायस केला तितले खंयच्याच परिवारान आपले पॉलिटिकल लायफान आनी देशा खातीर सॅक्रिफायस केल्ले ना. आनी हे हिंदुत्वाचे उलयतात. भाजपा जे आसा ते RSS आयडियोलॉजीचे जे आसा हे हिंदुत्वाचेर उलयतात. तांकां सांगूंक सोदता ही तुमची संस्कृती, बायलेक रिस्पेक्ट करनात ती संस्कृती. अरे प्रधानमंत्री टू मोदी, यू आर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. We had some respect that you are the Prime Minister. But now today I am saying that you could not take care of your own wife. So what you will take care and what you will think about others' wives and other people's daughters. So we condemn this attack which is done. बायलेची संवेदना सांभाळपाक येना छीन करपा लागल्या बायलांचेर. आणि जेन्ना प्रियांका गांधी आयज भायर सरिल्ली आसा, काँग्रेसाक सेव्ह कर, देशाक सेव्ह करपा खातीर काँग्रेसाक ती भायर सरिल्ली आसा, आमची इंदिरा गांधी भायर आयिल्ली आसा, तेन्ना हे लालचेन उडोवपाक लागल्या. So we condemn this and we have given a complaint letter to DGP. Now we are going to the Women Commission and we'll be also giving a copy to crime branch, cyber crime.
DGP कितें सांगला तुमकां?
DGP आमकां सांगला that he will look into the matter. I told him that this is BJP. I know you are also under the Home Ministry, but sir, you must be also having a wife. You must be also having a daughter. Because if it is Priyanka Gandhi today who's been attacked on social media, because these guys, Priyanka Gandhi has given them shivers down their spine by coming. ते भिल्यात की आता BJP कवार म्हणून. आणि जे संस्कृतीचेर उलयतात पळय हे BJPचे, म्हाका दिसता ही तांची संस्कृती काय विचारूंक जाय. तेंच्या घरात बायल्यो आनी भुरगीं नात काय म्हणून. DGPन सांगला he will look into the matter and accordingly reply to me. But we have demanded, the state committee of Mahila Congress has demanded and FIR should be lodged on this unknown
time
people.
limit में कितने दिला?
No, he has told he'll get back immediately as soon as possible.